girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Tayc. First time here, I believe, on this channel. This is a song called Dodo or so, and this is featuring Acoustic Gold. So cool song with some cool vibes into it. So one melody that goes round and round through the entire song with the strumming. So great there. Let's start with capo on third. Okay. So capo on third, and we have 3 chords to go over. And we have first D minor. All right, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, the next chord will be G minor. Okay, so it's a bar on the 3rd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. And the final chord will be A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so before we look at the chords and the strumming, we will look at the melody, and the melody is based upon, of course, these 3 chords that goes round and round: D minor, G minor, and A minor 7. So I'm going to show you the notes for each and every chord. So let's start first with the D minor. So that D minor part sounds like this. Okay, that was a slow version just for you to hear all notes. So it will be pretty much the best thing to hold the D minor as it is, okay? So when you do that, you're gonna play the open D string together with 3rd B, then 2nd G, and back to 3rd B. Okay, so it starts. Then it continues with this part. That is the fast part here in the song. So the notes are 3rd on B, open E, 1st E, open E, back to that one, and then 3rd B and 1st B. And that's the D minor part. So let's run over this a little bit quicker here. Open D together with 3rd B, then 2nd G, 3rd B, then a short break, and then comes 3rd B, open E, 1st E, open E, 3rd B, and 1st B. All right, so slowly it will be. And what I do there to have the speed, I don't hit all notes with my right hand, so I use some hammer on and pull off technique there, I believe. We'll see. I will hit the first note there, the 3rd for B string, and also the first note on E string, the open E. I hammer on the first E, and I pull off to get the open E. Then I hit the 3rd fret B string, and I hammer on to the 1st fret B string. So what I basically do there for all these 6 notes, I think I hit 3 times, okay? So the rest will be hammer on and pull off technique. And hammer on is when you have the finger here in front of another one, and you take it away to get a next note here behind or an open. And the pull, the hammer on is like when you hammer on in front of and you pull off, you do it like that, okay? So that's the techniques I use, just some extra info there to get the speed, all right? So that was the D minor. Then we have the G minor bass notes. We will not hold the chord as it is for this melody. We'll hold the chord later when we play the strumming. But for now, we'll just hit the notes we need. And the grip will be basically like this. Okay? So you're gonna play 3rd fret and E string together with open D and 3rd G. Then you hit again just the 3rd G and then the 3rd B. That's it for G minor. So that will be again 3rd E together with open D, 3rd G, then 3rd G and 3rd B. And that's the G minor part. And then we have just the A minor 7 part, and that is basically just hit all 4 strings together from the chord, the A, D, G, and B string from the chord, like that. So that will be the melody. I will play that through for you a little slower from the beginning till the end. It will sound like this. I added extra there. That is the melody, goes round and round and round, round again. Now you can play this with just the strumming, and you will of course use the full chords as they are. So D minor to G minor and A minor 7. So let's hit the D minor since that is the first chord, and the strumming will sound like this for 1 round. Right? So that is down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, again. Down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so with that you will play 2 rounds for D minor, 1 for G minor, and 1 for A minor 7, and that will be 1 chord progression. You just play that round and round, round. So 1 round of the chord progression, 2 D minor, 1 G minor, 1 A minor will sound like this. And a couple of rounds will be that pretty much covers Tayc's Dodo. So I hope this was helpful, guys. A cool song, give it a try. Very, very easy. I love these songs that have kind of one melody pattern through the entire song and a simple chord progression there. I love these songs. So I hope you do that as well. If you do, and if you like this tutorial, please thumb up, leave a comment, and yeah, play tuned.